Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today something really cool that's gonna happen. Today the Tesla here, the Model Y, will get a lift. Not a ginormous lift like on a lifted truck, but a small lift, so for more clearance during the upcoming winter season. That's what's gonna happen today, and I'll unpack the lift right now, the box with the stuff that came with it. And no, I'm not gonna put it in myself. I don't trust myself to do that, but I have a Tesla certified mobile mechanic that will come here, and the guy will put it in, and it should be in within a couple hours. Most of the mechanics that do that do not want to be in a YouTube video or be filmed, so I do respect that. I will ask him if I can film some of it or take a couple pictures so we can go through it together. If he's okay with that, fine. If he's not okay with that, that's fine too. I'll show you the result. So let's unbox this and see what's in the package. This lift was bought at T Sportline. They make Tesla accessories. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with it. And my wheels on the Tesla out there, they are from the same company as well. So, and I think the company has pretty good products. The wheels, the quality is good. They are lighter than the OEM wheels. I do like them, and if you want to watch the video about my wheels, go ahead, watch it after this one, so you'll see everything about my wheels that I bought at T Sportline accessories for Tesla. Let's see what we got here. It doesn't look very interesting here just yet. Look at that. All right, it's a pretty small box for a lift kit. Let's see what it says here. T Sportline Tesla Model Y lift kit. All right, T Sportline Tesla Model Y lift kit made in China. So they know what's good. Let's see what we got here. Here we go. This is the stuff. Let's see. The Tesla, that's really light. That's how we'll be lifting the Tesla. Looks like everything is in here. Looks like a pretty straightforward set. And I've watched reviews about that set, and they are all pretty good and pretty positive. People say the driving dynamics are about the same. The range should be a little less, it's a little higher up, but it's not extreme, so I think you can't really see a difference, because you don't always drive exactly the same way. So I think I'm not worried about that. And you know what, if it's really bad, stuff comes back out, you can always take it back out and go back to stock if you want to. Yeah, looks good. I don't want to unpack everything. I'll let him do that. Yeah, let's wait for the mobile mechanic. Before that, I'll go get a car wash so the car is nice and clean, and then I'll decide on where I put it in here in my garage so that there is enough room for him to work on. There should be enough room. We'll make it work, Alrighty, hang in there, guys. Wait for the for the result, or for the in between, when he's working. Now I can't find the words. That's just what happens sometimes. I hope you understand, and yeah, I'm excited. Hello everyone, and it's the next day now. That was a very long night. Last night I had the mechanic there, and he's Tesla certified, so Tesla mechanic. He was there, and it just takes a while to get that stuff built in. And now I got the lift kit on the Tesla, on the Model Y, and I wonder, was that a good idea or not? Here we go. Let's have a look at it. guys? What do you think? Does that look good? Does that not look good? All right, here are the facts, and I'll put them in the subtitles as well. This is a 1.8-inch lift kit from T Sportline. If you don't know T Sportline, look them up. They make those wheels too. They make Tesla accessories, and they're pretty decent quality. Pretty cool company. Now this kit also comes with 18-inch wheels with a little beefier tires, and that looks a lot better than this looks right here. All right, but I don't have the budget for another set of wheels plus tires right now, so I'm gonna stick with my tires and my wheels for now, and then when it's time to buy new tires, I'll see if I can put bigger tires on here. I'll figure out how that works with the computer and the diameter of the wheel, you know, so we don't mess up things too much there. So I definitely will think about that. But yeah, it's almost time to put my winter tires on the car, and I think with the winter tires it will look even better than this. And remember why I do this. I'll tell you again why I did this. I did this because we get a lot of snow here where I live, you know. Doesn't look like it right now, but we get a lot of snow, and in the snow there's those snow banks on the side where the plows push the snow. And last year there were some roads or some highways I couldn't go because the Tesla would high center and then try to get stuck, and I don't want to risk that. I go to work really early in the morning before 4 a.m. and there's not many people on the road, and I don't want to be stuck there here on the countryside somewhere in a Tesla. So no, don't want to do that. I also didn't buy a truck. Again, I used to have one, but you know, the truck prices are extremely expensive right now, and I'm not willing to spend that type of money for a pickup truck. So the Tesla is my daily driver, and now that it's lifted, I think it will do a decent job in the snow, and it will not get stuck as much as it used to. And just look at it from here, you see the difference. It's not extreme, all right, it's not extreme, but you can tell the wheels look smaller than they looked before, these 19-inch wheels, but I think it looks okay. I don't think it looks bad. I'll put some pictures in the video as well of the spacers that are in there, because they are, it's called lift kit, but what it is, they are spacers. Let me show them to you. Here, you see them up there, right in there. There's a spacer. Okay, here at the rear it's a little harder to see. Yeah, we can't really see that right now. I took some pictures and I'll put them in the video, and then you can see what I'm talking about, and you can see the spacers better, you know. I don't know why they call it lift kit. Well, because it lifts the vehicle, right? But it's under 2 inches, and it's just spacers that you put in. So pretty straightforward set. Doesn't look too hard to do, but it takes a while to put stuff back together. Can't talk. And yeah, everything went well. Now what do I need now? I need an alignment check. That's something I need for sure. Need an alignment check, see if the alignment is off. I don't think it's off. It feels right when I drive, but you know, better to have your alignment checked or not than not. And when I do that, I'll tell you the result, so that you know, if you put the kit on your car, if it's worth getting your alignment checked. I already know it is, but I know people that said they didn't need any changes, the alignment was fine. So we'll find out. That will be a surprise. Okay, oh, what that sound? Oh, it's the motorbike there. Yeah, what is that? Anyways, yeah, that's about it for now. So let me know what you think. Do you like this lift kit? You think it's good? Would you go higher? Would you lower your Tesla? I mean, lowering your Tesla is cool too, but I can't do that. When I drive, I struggle with this in the winter, so couldn't do that. There's a reason I don't drive my GT350 when the weather is bad, and also not everywhere I go, because there are roads here you can't do that. Can't get in with a low vehicle. Other than that, Tesla is good. I mean, no complaints at all. It's a great vehicle. Serves me well to get to work and get back home. The couple modifications I made are really great. I like the tinted windows, the PPF on it, and now the lift kit. So I'm happy. It's a good day and I'm happy, so that's good. Okay, I'll finish this video, and please let me know what you think of it. And also, you know it, please subscribe and like the video. All right, see you next time. Have a wonderful day.